Here we are again at the next project for automation and robotics. Going to the table of contents, we will find the next project. It is the pull toy construction. If you click on subchapter 4 of lesson 2, it will take you to project 2.4, pull toy construction. The pull toy is something that we've all seen before. It's a toy that when it is pulled on by a child, things will move and parts will be activated. Within this pull toy construction, there needs to be, in my own requirements, beyond the procedure listed here, there needs to be wheel-driven action that provides some sort of motion that children can see and would find entertaining. Now, in order to do this, I also require that every pull toy, to be properly constructed, must have a minimum of 3 mechanisms. And I strongly recommend that you use at least one that changes the direction of power in some way. Now, to count for your mechanisms, you cannot use the same mechanism more than once. So if you use a simple gear train, you cannot use it again to count towards your 3 mechanisms. If you use a simple gear train with idler, that is different. However, that may not be very interesting. And you need to be aware that when you create the object of motion, that only one of those mechanisms is coming from a wheel. Or, in the case of having 2 sets of wheels, front and back, the mechanisms that are coming off of wheels are doing different things. This is to keep you from not being creative. I need you to think about what you're doing and how the different mechanisms can be used. One mechanism, while moving, can feed into another. You can also have multiple things happen while your pull toy is being pulled. This may seem very simple, but it is imperative that you sketch what you're doing and come up with ideas. This way, when your first idea does not work, as it inevitably will, you have something to fall back on, or you can take the best ideas from multiple sketches, put them together, and make your own pull toy. Again, you will need to create a pull toy that uses wheels to transfer motion to 3 different gears. You cannot use the same gear set more than once, so you'll be using the gear sets from the mechanism toolbox. The gear coming off of the wheels needs to move another type or set of gears. I recommend that you change power at least 90 degrees once. And if you're going to have 2 different sets of gears being started off of 2 different sets of wheels, they need to do different things.